Welcome back to the Richest Man in Babylon Summarized. We're on Chapter 7, The Walls of Babylon. It's a pretty short chapter. What's the story here? Babylon is under attack by the Assyrians. The king and his army are away at war with the Elamites, and now the city is besieged. Old Banzar, a veteran soldier of Babylon, is approached by many citizens as he watches from the streets below the wall. The citizens plead for reassurance, and Banzar assures them that the walls have never been breached, and that they shall hold once more. Many Babylonian soldiers are injured and slain in the defense of their great city. After 4 weeks and 5 days, the Assyrians retreat, having been defeated by the stout walls, strong gates, and tenacious defenders of Babylon. So where in here are our financial principles? We must protect our financial livelihoods with insurance, savings, and investments. Disasters will come. We know they will. So prepare in the days of peace for the impending war. Financial disaster can, and usually does, strike when we least expect it. If ye are prepared, ye shall not fear. So how do we take these principles and apply them in our lives? Pretty simple. Have an emergency fund, a rainy day fund that will fully protect your family. What we mean by this is have an emergency fund that is stocked for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. If you spend $3,000 a month, you need to have a minimum of $9,000 saved. Ensure you have auto, health, life, homeowners or renters, long-term care, disability, and other valid and appropriate forms of insurance coverage for your situation. That concludes our summary of Chapter 7 of The Richest Man in Babylon, The Walls of Babylon. You can move on to Chapter 7 Discussed, where we go into a little more detail, or you can move on to Chapter 8 Summarized.